Welcome to our guide on how to delete invite messages on Instagram in 2025. Let's dive in and make your messaging experience even smoother. First, open your Instagram app and head to your inbox. Here, you'll find all your messages, including those pesky invite messages. Now that you've found the invite messages, tap on the one you'd like to delete to select it. You will see a confirmation pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete the message. Confirm by selecting Delete. It's essential to understand that deleting a message removes it permanently, while archiving keeps it hidden but retrievable later. There might be many reasons for wanting to delete an invite message. Maybe it's clutter or simply not relevant anymore. Sometimes you might encounter issues while deleting messages. If you can't delete a message, ensure your app is updated or restart it. Keep in mind that once you delete a message, it disappears from both your inbox and the sender's view. This can affect conversations. Make sure to consider your privacy when deleting invite messages. You don't want to leave any traces behind. In conclusion, deleting invite messages can be simple and beneficial for managing your messages. Just follow these steps, and you'll be set.